Let's click search for services. Click it. Scroll down and search for VGC. Right click the properties. Here make sure the startup type should be in automatic and service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. Once again right click, restart it. Wait for a couple of minutes. Once complete after, close it and search for control panel. In category section you have uninstall a program. Click it and uninstall the Vanguard. So don't panic, it's only uninstall the Vanguard services. Your files and folders and account will be remain same. If you want again need to reinstall the Vanguard, you need to open up the Riot client. It will automatically ask for reinstalling the Vanguard. You need to freshly reinstall it. The next step, click Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or features to Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and check for Riot Client Vanguard. Make sure it should be in private and public mode. It should be in enable. If Riot Client and Vanguard is not available, means you need to add it by using Allow another app and browse it. Go to C drive, Riot Games, Riot Client, and add the application. It's easy. Bottom side you have a add option. Click it and add it. So I already have, so I skip it. Click OK. Once completing this step, you need to open up the Riot client and reinstall the Vanguard. Thank you.